नामत व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। First of all, would you like to poetry Shabd Latif Bhatai Ustad Bukhari? I describe Ustad Bukhari poetry in Sindhi language. रुपयो वञाइजे पर रूप न वञाइजे, रुपयो वञाइजे पर रूप न वञाइजे, पंच वञाइजे पर पंचायत न वञाइजे, 10 वञाइजे पर ढप न वञाइजे, 100 वञाइजे साह न वञाइजे, 1000 वञाइजे हाल न वञाइजे, लख वञाइजे लछण न वञाइजे, लख वञाइजे पर लछण न वञाइजे, करोड़ वञाइजे, करोड़ वञाइजे पर कुर्ब न वञाइजे, पदम वॼाइजे परेद न वॼाइजे, लाइजे के निभाइजे न त असर न लाइजे. To the lecture my section 497 I describe you. Would you like to my channel Legal Talk Network? Press the button bell icon. You support me, inshallah I help you in knowledge. My lecture today, CRP Criminal Procedure Code 1898 established the under section 497 says, when bail be taken in case of non-bailable offence. First of all, when any person accused of any non-bailable offence is arrested or detained without warrant of any officers in charge of the police stations, affair is brought before a court, he may be released on bail, but he shall be released if there appear responsible ground of the believing that he has been guilty of any offence punishable with death or imprisonments for life imprisonment of 10 years. Provided the court, thus provided that court may direct that any person under the age of 16 years or any woman or any sick or infirm person accused of the such offence be released on bail, provided further that a person accused of offence and aforesaid shall not be released on the bail unless the prosecutions has been given notice. Show cause why it should be not be so released. Provided further that the court shall accept, well, it is of the opinion that the delay of the trial that accused has been accusations on act or the mission of the accused or any other person acting on behalf direct that any person shall be released on bail. First of all, A say who being accused of any offence not punishable with death has been detained for the continuous period exceeding of 1 year on it. The cases of a woman 6 months whose trial for such offence has not concluded, or B says who being accused offence and punishable and death has been detained for such offence and continues period exacting years in the cases of the woman exacting 1 year and whose trial for such offence has not concluded, provided further that the provision of the foregoing provision shall not apply to previously convicted offence and offences are punishable with the death imprisonment for life, or to a persons who with it an opinion of the court opinion is a hardened, desperate, dangerous criminal or in the accused of an act of terrorism punishable with the death imprisonment for life. This is the second if appears to such office to court any stage of the investigations, that inquiry on trial, that inquiry in trial, that inquiry in trial, and the more responsible that the case may be done responsible and the ground for belonging that the belonging and then the accused committed a non bailable offense, but there is sufficient ground or further inquiry in his guilt, the accused shall pending such inquiry released on bail, or the direction of such officer shall be executions by him of the bond without sureties of the appearance herein after provided. And officers of a court relating to of any persons bail under subsection 1 or subsection 2 shall record on writing. This section says shall record on writing or is a reason for the things for so doing. That's a D. If at any time after conclusion at the trial person accused of the non-bailable offence and the before judgment is delivered, the court of the opinion that the responsible ground for the believing that the accused is not guilty of any such offence if shall before belonging that the accused the custody of the executions of him of the bond without the sureties for the appearance of the judgment delivered. 5 says at the High Court of a session court in the cases persons release itself any other court may cause any persons who has been kneels to under the sections of any be committed of the custody the you know yeah their recovery of the allegations is weapons and the scope of extents and the bail of the grant principles responsible grounds bail applications all about and the meanings and the categories of the bailable offense evidence recorded in absence of the excuse legality bail and ground in the categories and for example criminal issues and the opinion of the people. There are the for examples and the appearance so that pursue in favor of illegal criminals. The state is exacting the protect of the subject of the criminal have to vest the police with the power arrest or the approaching the criminal court and prior the keeping accused custody the concept of the bail and history and deep not in England and the American law in medieval in England the customers the customs create out the need to enter the provisions from the deceased ridden jails while they were having waiting for the delay in the conducted of the travelling justice. Prisoners was bail or delivered to reputable their parties of their own choosing or accepted responsibility of accusing their appearance or at a trial, the law on the blaying and the statistics, the mauling themselves exiting the time, the law time of war, crisis of the times, favor of the society and the government, which is a while the time, the license and the favored individual is suspect. At the post arrest, crime could be reduced and the measure of the advance punishable. Next lecture inshallah will come. Thanks.